Need a new client's house.
And there's the house. I got my pens, my pencils, my sketching material. I'm gonna go meet with the contractors. Fun fact, I always wear boots to a job site because you never know what you're gonna step on. First things first, we go through the architectural plans. Then we walk through the house. We spend a lot of time going over architectural plans and rewriting things to work better with furniture layouts and overall flow and function of the house. That was 2 hours of redesigning all architectural plans and meeting with the framer before we represent to the client. I can't wait to show you what we came up with.